Kojo FX. Kojo FX. I greet you. This is the worst thing I'm hearing this year in this Forex space. Okay? Don't worry, I will share with you what Kojo said. Kojo was like, if you don't have at least $10,000 plus, that means above $10,000 of your own trading capital, not a full-time trader, and don't rely predominantly on trading proceeds to fend. Don't put professional trader in any of your sentences. Let me break it down. If you don't have $10,000 as a trading capital, at least $10,000, don't call yourself profitable trader. You and I are not profitable if we don't have $10,000 in our account. Don't worry. I will address this very well because these are our mentors. They are not doing above the standard. I will dive into these details when I come back from this short break. Don't go anywhere. All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. I greet you, mentor. Maybe you, those that senior man there. No, the other account blower. With a blow account and calls himself king of. No, be you. Yes, I greet you, mentor. I greet you for always blowing up accounts. All right, now listen, guys. One thing I know about life is people have what we call freedom of speech. You can come to your space and say anything you like. It's your right to say that, okay? And at the same time, we have the freedom of reaction because when you say something, we have to react to it. We will not accept it because you are a so-called mentor or you are a mentor from one village or the other. I greet you. I greet you. Now, let me be honest. When I saw this, I wasn't just happy. Like, I don't know why. I didn't just want to let it slide without me talking about it. Because himself, Kojo Forex, I can remember when he was flaunting $1,000 account, like showing people that his account balance is 1,000 and shouting massive profit when he sees $200, $250. I can remember. It's just like yesterday. Even Jeffrey Benson and Harvey Forex, when they were all shouting massive profit on top $500. And of course, that is profit. Let me just be very honest. Today, he's telling us that if you don't have $10,000, at least you are not profitable. And that is a big lie from my own point of view. Drop your own point of view in the comment section if you actually agree with what he says or disagree with what he says. But in my own opinion, of course, I don't believe that. And it's a lie, total lie. Somebody can be making consistently $100 out of $1,000 account. Consistently, that $1,000 remains a fixed balance on his account and is pulling out withdrawals from that account. And then you will call the person unprofitable because you don't have up to $10,000 as a trading capital. That is a lie, bro. Professionalism in this industry is the act of consistently making profit. Consistently making profit out of the system. It is not the account size. Don't let anybody deceive you. You are profitable in this game means that you no longer take more losses. You are not taking more profit consistently. And even if that profit is $10 consistently, you are profitable, brother. Because the profitability of this game is mastering the direction of the chart. Forex is when you press buy, the market goes up, you are in profit. When you press sell, market goes down, you are in profit. The being profitable in the game is mastering the act of knowing where the buy will start and when the sell will start. Funny enough, these people that are making this kind of comment, they are hitting stop loss back to back. I didn't mention anybody's name, but that's not the fact. Most of these mentors, check their Telegram channel, they hit stop loss back to back. One of the mentors yesterday dropped a buy on SAUUSD gold. Immediately he bought gold, SL hit. As SL hit, he turned into sell. He said, sell SAUUSD. As he's entering the sell, what happened? SL hit again. He now dropped a motivation. Like, it was like, yo, don't even feel it. Forex comes with losses. And I love that. So, bro, you cannot tell somebody that's making profit constantly from the market that he's not profitable because he doesn't have $10,000 account. Just to depress him or make him feel bad about himself or what? And how are we even sure that you yourself making this comment is trading with $10,000 account? I greet you, mentor. I greet you because how do we know? Is it because you show us blues on your Twitter account, or you show blues on Instagram, or we need to verify you too. We're not even sure that you have $10,000 trading account, because of course anybody can come out, pull up a screenshot, show us that his trading account is $1 billion, which nowadays we don't believe screenshot any longer. So we even doubt that you yourself, you don't even have $10,000 account. Until we see the proof, we will be with you for like 2 years. We see you trade it. We even need 2 years to confirm that. That's what I'm saying. And why I have to react to this is this post will make some people think they are not doing anything in this game. Take for instance, someone that is making maybe $100 out of $1,000 account consistently, you'll be like, I'm lagging behind, and he'll try to do something crazy. Don't listen to things like this. According to comment, let me just show you comment briefly. This coming from official DHKL. He says, Namumu talk. This coming from Noble of Whale. He says, everyone starts from somewhere. You have to start from somewhere. So to get the fact straight, most people on his comment section, they were busy attacking him. That's to tell you that you're not just alone. In case you are feeling like, I don't have $10,000, what am I doing in this industry? Bro, this post shouldn't make you feel like that. Most people have $1,000 account, $500 account, and they're profitably making money out of it. So don't mind, this is yeah talk, according to one of the comments I saw online. I agree to you. I respect Kojo Forex so much. I respect all these top mentors. But when they drop one thing that is not really clear, I will not believe it. You understand? I can't just believe it. So let us go to the chart. I want to show you something on GBPUSD. The buy. Remember, I said buy. I predicted a buy. People thought it was a joke, but that was my own perspective. And that buy could have gone to stop loss or gone selling. Of course, no prediction is 100% accurate. But I didn't expect people to be like, this buy is going to sell hard. And now today did not sell hard again. Instead, it bought hard. Now look at, let me show you the chart. Let me screen record this. Just a minute, guys. 1 minute. Hey. Now, this is it, guys. This is a monthly time frame. Seriously bearish on GBPUSD. This is 1 month time frame. And that is why those guys were like, this is a massive sell. It's going to sell from now to the next 2 months. It's a massive sell. A day trader dropped a signal that he wants to catch 150 pips, 100 pips from this trade. You guys looking at monthly time frame, you told me that this thing is going to sell hard because monthly time frame is bearish. Now, let me explain this into you. My interest or my focus is just inside this 1 day candlestick. Look at this candlestick now. You see this green candle? That is where I did. Inside that candlestick, that's where everyday trader resides. Inside this green candle, we are not looking at the whole push of a monthly time frame. It will not really help us because the behavior of this candle matters a lot to us. Whether it goes up, it changes color, even color change of a monthly candle, it adds a lot of pip to our profit. Do you understand? So that's why I will not pay attention to the flow of this monthly time frame. Get it? And if you don't know about this, you can add it to your knowledge too. Now look at the 4 hours prediction I did. This is 4 hours time frame now, which is where we're supposed to focus, not on those picture, because market doesn't work like that. So see what we predicted the last time. Look at this chart, guys. You see exactly what we said, and the market is out on the TP already. This is it. You see, that's it, and that's exactly where I said market is going to touch, and it went there. It's not as if I'm the best, but I know I do well for myself. You understand? So now look, the market took away this low from here to here, which is the DB I told you guys that it's going to do. While I was analyzing the chart was exactly at this point. This is where the chart was. I told you guys that they have already induced and they will come back. They will come back to sweep all these guys. Come back here and take a buy This is the buy. Mind you, all this activity is happening inside one single candlestick of a monthly time frame. So tell me how I will use the overall monthly flow to take a decision as a day trader. Someone who takes trade within 24 hours is out, in and out. Now, one thing I noticed about some mentors is they don't even check the session of the market. Session New York, session London, session, and the best time market respect. It is what it is. So that will be all for this video. I don't like my video being so long. Subscribe to the channel. Kojo statements, keep it at the back, bro. If you have $100, $200 fund, make profit out of it. Solve your problems. You understand what I'm saying? It must not be $10,000, which is close to 15 million naira, before you start trading forex. No, be guided. Now, final announcement. If you want to know how I trade forex, use my robot. The bot shows you just a little brief explanation on how I see forex, my picture, how I see forex. If you want to learn more, then you can send me a message and you get the full course, and then you learn forex the proper way. How I do it anyway, because everyone have their own perspective. Now, see you guys next time. Subscribe. Bye for now.